What is up, everybody? Let's see what the... So I hit a redemption card from Dave in a break in 2022. So I've been waiting for it because I thought it was going to be a really cool card. So I just kept saying, I'll just wait for it, wait for it, wait for it. So they finally sent me an email early this week saying that basically the card was never going to get fulfilled, so I had to take a replacement. And they have these Topps exchange boxes. So I emailed back and said, how many Topps exchange boxes, like what do you value it at? Because you're supposed to get one of these per $100 of what the redemption was worth. And they said, well, we'll give you one exchange box, then we'll give you a choice of a replacement card also. So this is what the redemption was. It was a All-Star Stitch dual autograph card, red parallel. So I think that was numbered to 25 from 2022 Topps update. And it was Vladimir Guerrero and Alek Manoah, which if you ask me, probably having Alek on that card probably was going to hurt the value a little bit, in my honest opinion. Just what I think. So this is what they sent me as a replacement. 2020 Finest to 25. I had two choices. I could do this one or another Finest to 90. And obviously I thought this one would probably had more value since it was numbered less. So that's what I got for my replacement card. So I still got a Vlad auto, which I wanted. It's on card. I've never had a Vlad auto. I've pulled a few in breaks, but I've never actually hit one myself. So I wanted a Vlad auto, so I'm glad I got it. That's the main reason I wanted this card, was for a Vlad auto. Okay, I am kind of curious as to what the jerseys would look like, the patches in there, because out of 25, I think they probably would have been pretty nasty. So that's what I got for that, and then plus an exchange box. So let's see what we get here. There's one of these on eBay, and the guy's got like just about $2,000 or best offer, and it's been sitting there for a couple days. So I think these are fairly new. I haven't seen anybody else post anything. There was some 2024 stuff and 2025 stuff on YouTube. So there should be a cover on here. So, and what came out of the 2024 and 2025 looked pretty nice. So we'll see once. Here it goes. Detroit. Oh, that's a nice one. Miguel Cabrera. Numbered out of 150. I've never had a Miguel Cabrera auto either. So I would say that was a win. I have no idea what this would have been worth. I'm going to say $150. Something like that. So I think comps on this one are right around 150, give or take. But now I got to look that one up. But that's pretty cool. Die cut Miguel Cabrera, numbered out of number 3, I think. Come on, focus. Yeah, 3 out of 150. So on card, both are on card. I'll take that for one redemption. So yeah, for sure. I think I won that. I was in the back of my head, I'm thinking Ohtani, Trout, but this is actually a pretty cool surprise. So I'll take that. But I appreciate everybody watching. So if you have any redemptions and they offer you a box, I say go for it. So can't complain about that. So all right. One other thing, I think Dave is on a work trip right now in Dallas. He does have some Top Series 1 that he's going to be breaking in here once he gets back. So be on the lookout for that. Top Series 1 looks pretty good, and it's just like every other Top Series 1. It's very hit or miss. So, but most of you guys are PC guys, so grab your team and let's fill it when he posts it. So have a great night, everybody.